Welcome to Sadhubaro Zanfa Complex.
Monirul Mullah, important.
We will be showing you the formation as well as the starting lineup.
The starting now, that is on your screen.
And with this, the semi-final starts the second as he scored in the first match against Maldives. Now India moving forward. Koru Singh. An overlapping run there by Gogam Sher. Evan Das with a set piece here. Could be an opportunity, could be a chance there. Keep getting. Malengamba Tokchom was there across ends to combine with his midfield partner Evan Das, Yashudashan. Koru Singh trying to find Ricky. With them, Kipgen with an excellent through ball to the right. Gogamsher Goyari. Sandwich between the two Bangladeshi defenders. Oh, what a skill there by. Couple of combinations in between. Oh, look at this boy. Gogamsher Goyari is released in the right wing. Gogamsher Goyari.
Being built here.
Ashadul Shakib with the cross inside the box. Could be dangerous here for the Bangladesh. With the chance now to the left winger, Robbie Rahul. With a couple of step overs. Robbie with the cross. A good cross there. Ashadul Molla with the cross inside. Again, Kelvin gets the ball. Kelvin cutting it in here. Kelvin! Straight.
All the way to Kelvin, but still could have done some extra work there. Kelvin had some room with himself.
Robbie Rahul. A good touch there. Beats the defender. Robbie with the shot. Opportunity and a goal! Goal there for Bangladesh! Molla with the goal for Bangladesh.
We can see that once again in slow motion. Just look at the finish. It wasn't difficult. He had to improvise. But credits to Robbie Rahul. He took the ball. He
Across there could be.
There, wasn't he?
Mirajul Islam, Robbie with the cross. Could be a chance there for him to find his teammate, Evan Das Yashudashan. Evan Das with a through ball here. Could be an opportunity for India.
Here we go, the second throw in near the opposition penalty area. Will India capitalize on this one? Beautiful one to play it. Ashadul Molla. Good take, good touch. Cross, and that is a...
But then again, in the attacking third, India have not been efficient. They have been quite wasteful for that matter.
Kelvin from the left flank now. Kelvin still on the ball, beating the defender. Wonderful pass, and that is game for India.
Kipken with the first time shot.
India now on the ball and on the attack. Wonderful pass, wonderful take. India can go level.
Yeah. You can see that.
Is the defense. Wonderful air ball. This can be a goal. Another big chance goes begging for India.
Surely.
Oh, this can be dangerous. India can level the game.
Gangte with the Yashudashan. Evan Das with a lofted pass into the left hand side. Kelvin.
Kelvin on the ball looking for some jerseys.
As you can see, Kelvin could have opted to go for the second bar. He had the chance here. Now India going forward.
Wonderful pass. Can he do it? Oh, it's strike through.
Gangte was the one. He has been the one who's trying to create some chances. He was trying to cut back. Or
moving forward, the Indian side. Not the best of touches, but that might just do it. Oh!
What a moment there for India. Gogamsher Goyari did everything right.
Making the life difficult for the opposition goalkeeper. Now it's India twisting and turning near the opposition box. Once again, they make
7 fouls committed by India.
The first action for the player coming in. Oh, that's a shot. India, and they do it against all odds. The goalkeeper had
to them, and this was courtesy of the changes they made. Gangte was the one involved. And this was not that much of a good clearance, but then again, Noba Mete setting up a sitter there for the number 5. The next Sahal of India, as he's playing in the number 10 position. Good footwork there. Paramveer going forward now. Paramveer trying to find his teammate. Paramveer is still going on. And now Noba Mete gets it.
Passing it once again to Nauba. Nauba taking the charge of Kelvin. That's a header, not quite good. The captain heads the ball in, and that has been another chance. What's it gonna be? Where is he gonna shoot? And that has been blocked.
This is the heavens, the goalkeeper. And this. And Piyush scores there. No chance there.
What was this? Oh, that.
It's 1-1 here. Islam. Moinul Islam with an opportunity here to take Bangladesh up front. And a save. Moinul Islam scores.
It's 2-1 at the moment. Guari takes it. Well, what a shot that was.
Push ahead. Shakil Topu. Could be this. Shakil!
Mohammad Asif. Oh, that.
It is.
That is an easy shot. That.
From the semi-finals, Akash Tirke! Bangladesh are off to the final stage.